2001 55th question, right? There is a extensible string there, right? Then it stretch when we are providing a force, right? Right. Okay. When it's free like this, when I attach a mass, it will be something like this. We are having some kind of an extension, right? Then here the force is developed as the tension F, and we are having mg downward. This F is kx according to the Hooke's law, right? I hope you know that. Then here it is at the stationary at equilibrium, kx equal mg. I hope you know that. Then from here a force is given downward, right? Right? Then it moves with a constant velocity downward. Then what will happen to the force developed in the string and with the time? What is the variation of this one, right? If it comes to here, right? Now, right? When it comes to here, it is already balanced. Then we want excessive force as the additional tension to develop this one to get this kind of x dash extension. Then F is equal, now this F is equal k x dash, right? From here, actually the x dash should be x, but now F is equal, this is kx dash plus kx, now this is mg, right? Where you can forget about here we are increasing the length with a constant velocity or the speed, right? Then here we want to get the equation, only we want to consider these two. Then f k x dash, I can put v into t, because extension from here is I can write down velocity into time. Then velocity constant, this one also constant, this one for y-axis, this one for x-axis, this is a constant value, this comes as y equal mx, then the variation will be something like this. The answer is 1.